Hey everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please PaperCrafts. So a few weeks ago, I posted a video on my channel where I shared how you could take decorative napkins like these, some plastic wrap, some old paper or cardstock, and an iron, and you can fuse it together to make the most beautiful paper that feels like fabric. And you can use that paper for scrapbooking and for card making. You can also use it to make embellishments, and it's really a lot of fun. So I'll put a link to that video in the description below if you're interested in checking that out. Well, at the end of that video, I announced a giveaway that I was going to do. So anyone that left a comment with the word napkin was entered into the giveaway, and I'm going to pick the winner in this video. And the winner is going to win these beautiful napkins to add to their stash. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab my computer and we will go ahead and pick the winner. Okay, so I'm going to start off here by going over to my YouTube channel and getting the link for the video. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back over to the YouTube random comment picker and paste in that link. And I'm also going to filter this by the word napkin because that was the rules. And go ahead and click on the Get YouTube Comments. That's going to give us 54 comments, or 54 people that entered this giveaway. Okay, so let's go ahead and see who's the winner. I'm going to click Start. And the winner is Kathleen. You're the winner. And I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, so I'm not even going to try. Okay, so congratulations to Kathleen for winning this giveaway. And I hope you have fun using these napkins and trying out the technique. And I'm super excited for you. So please go ahead and contact me. I'll put my email up here on the screen, also in the description below. And just send me an email with your name and address, and I will go ahead and get these sent out to you. Okay, so I do have a short video clip of my two dogs, Bella and LilyBelle, that I'm going to put at the end of this video if you want to stick around for that. But that's all I have. So y'all take care, have an awesome day, and we hope to see you next time. Bye now. Hi girls, what y'all doing? Are y'all being good? I know, Bella said... So Bella yesterday, she got out in the front yard, and usually she stays right around the front door when I'm talking to people. And so I was out there, and she went down over by the next door neighbor's house, and she wouldn't come back. And I'm yelling for her, and she was not listening to me. So I went and grabbed my shoes and went over there, and I was calling for her and looking for her, and I couldn't find her. And then eventually she comes out of their house. They had left the door open to their closed-in patio, and she was over there being nosy, and she just let herself into the house and was looking around. And the people have large dogs. I'm not exactly sure how many dogs they have, but I think it's more than one. They sound like they're very big dogs. And so you better be careful, Miss Bella. You don't know if those dogs are going to be friendly, or they might eat you for lunch. So don't do that again, okay? Don't do that again. Okay, so are you going to say hi to the YouTube people? Can you say hi, Miss LilyBelle? Can you say hi, Miss Bella? I keep getting closer and closer. Can you say hi? Can you say woof woof? Can you say woof woof? No. Would you speak if I gave you a treat? Is it treat time? Is it treat time? Yeah? What kind of treat would you like, Miss Bella? What kind of treat would you like, Miss Bella? You're not doing a whole lot of talking today, huh? Not feeling like talking to anybody? No? Okay, well let me get y'all a treat. Okay! Was it good? They really like those doggy biscuits. Can y'all say hi to the YouTube people? If I give you another treat, would you say hi? Okay, ready for your second treat? Sit. LilyBelle, sit. Down. Good job. Leave it. Okay. Okay, well that's all I have for this video. Hope y'all have an awesome weekend and we hope to see you next time. Bye now.